What's up, everyone? My name is Byron from Elevate Experiences, and if you love creating great team culture, whether that's in person or virtual, this game is for you.
What's up, everybody? Hold on, before we get to the rest of the video, if you're watching this, it means that you care about creating events that people love. And if you go to elevate.tips, we've got links to our podcast, our store, and more great resources, so be sure to check it out.
Alrighty, so this is a great game to get to know your team. It's called Been There, Done That. So we're gonna find out, have you been there and have you done that? It's a quick, easy game. Each round is played into two parts. If you've been there, you get a point. If you've done that, you get a point. If you haven't been there, you get no points. And if you haven't done that, you get no points. Have you been to Orlando, Florida? If you have, congratulations, you just received a point. If you haven't, wah, 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 you get 0 points. Have you ridden Space Mountain? Well, if you haven't been to Orlando, Florida, you probably haven't ridden Space Mountain, but if you have, you just received another point, and if you haven't, you received 0 points. Alrighty, so let's check out our next one. Have you been to Boston, Massachusetts? Maybe you checked out a Celtics game, maybe you've gone somewhere else, but if you have, you receive a point. Or have you started a snowball fight? I have before, so I will receive a point, and if you haven't, then you wouldn't. Well, if you're competitive like me, you want to make sure that you are keeping track of your points, or you can choose to assign someone to keep track of the points for you. Well, those are just a few examples of our game called Been There, Done That. If you want the full version, make sure to check out our game library. It's going to be in the description below. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to be notified every time we put up a new video on YouTube, make sure to hit that bell. That's it for me. Can't wait to see you next time on our next YouTube video. But have you been to however you say this?